What if I told you that in 2026 there is a still village where a single bull lifts water from the earth using a centuries old machine? No electricity, no fuel, no modern pump, just one magnificent bull and an invention that has survived the test of time. Welcome to Laya district in Punjab, Pakistan, where history is not locked inside a museum. It is still part of everyday life. Take a closer look at this beautiful bull. Notice its powerful body and the magnificent curved horns. Before the journey begins, traditional leather blinders are gently placed over its eyes, and then, with one slow step, everything begins to move. The wooden gates, the ropes, the ancient mechanism all come alive. No engine, no electricity, just centuries of wisdom working exactly as it always has. Slowly, fresh water rises from deep beneath the earth. In a world rising toward the future, places like this remind us that some of humanity's greatest ideas never grow old. History is not something we read about. Sometimes it's something we can still witness, one step at a time. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next adventure. This is an amazing experience in which children are amusing and bull is busy in its functioning. That's an amazing adventure. It's my own maxim that history should never die.